Oh, I'm visiting a great sacred tree here in Brighton this morning, just the elm, a fantastic tree that is the ancestor tree of all women. The first woman that was born into life came out of the wood of the elm, and I'm looking to find its vibration. I'm seeing the patterns of the bark, and I'm tracing it to look for its rune, look for its mark, look for its sound, its vibration. And here you can see I've located a rune that I will attempt to transcribe. And this then will be the rune for Embla, the first woman to come out of the elm tree. And the shape of it is then the vibration that the tree has given in its bark. And as I am tracing it, the sound, I will give it the name of Emblam.